part of the contribution, let them increase the revenue and give, and part of it pays your bill. Government didn't bother. Nobody's bothered. And Kadamba must have gone to completely, I don't know what is the level. Nowadays they require some 50 crores. When I was there, it was just requiring 5 crores per year subsidy. Now it is requiring 50 crores per year per year. I don't know what is happening to that kind of money. It's a big money. But I feel that that giving buses to schools was a mistake. Giving buses existing routes कोणी strengthen करून मागे भुरग्यांनी पावताले. आज भुरग्यांकूय सारके ना आनी लोकांकूय सारके ना. सेकंड पुश हाडल्यान आनी 300 बस पण ते जुनरुमाचे हाडल्यो. Must be even more than that हाडल्यो. अजून देखो existing setup तांकां सारको जावना. It is so sad. मागीर बसीस हाडल्यो, Mercedes बसीस हाडल्यो. आनी कितें केलें काय ना. Thing also that we require the chairman of that Kadamba Transport Corporation. I think should be somebody from the field and should be revenue generation model free hand deposit the politician जरा काही ना जाय ना you can't manage it because एक कोणा काढलो तो बॉब मारता बरोबर ती हे किती केले और रूट काढलो तो आणि कोण बॉब मारता आयडेंटिफाय करपाचे ट्रॅफिक मेकिंग रूट्स see diesel this subsidy cost per kilometer master cost per kilometer all over India go is the highest.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.